I am recording this part of the video after using the eyeshadow palette for 5 days, and this is all my personal experience. You may have a different or better experience, and it is absolutely okay if you are disagreeing with me. So let's start the video and let me tell you a few things about this eyeshadow palette before you buy it. So first of all, let me tell you where did I buy this palette from. So I bought it from cuffsandlashes.com, and it is also available on Amazon.in and Flipkart. But when I saw the reviews there, most of the people complained about receiving a distorted palette. So I decided to buy it from their Cuffs and Lashes official website. So my experience, if I'll have to tell you about the packaging was good. The palette and the brushes that I have bought were wrapped in a bubble wrap very nicely, but still I don't know how. Let me show you. This palette is a little damaged on this side, and on this corner, if you can see, I just fixed it with the glue. I did not return it or did anything like that because I didn't have that time. The outer packaging is made up of cardboard. There is a very nice message here. This palette is dedicated to all our loving subscribers, and this is really sweet of Nidhi Katyar. And on the back side of the palette, the ingredients are listed, the manufacturing details, the expiry date, and the MRP, which is 1499, but I got it for 899 rupees on a discount. This is proudly made in India and paraben free, and they do not test on animals, which is a very good thing. And a few more details over here. The palette is having magnets here, so they have given magnetic closure. And this part of the palette, this section, I mean this whole body of the palette is made up of foam. Just a minute. Yes, this is made up of foam, and this is not a very strong palette, but I think you will not do wrestling with it as much as I believe. And this is not a very big palette. I mean, जब मैंने इसे खरीदने से पहले जितने भी रिव्यू वीडियोस में देखा था, I thought कि ये क्लासमेट नोटबुक की तरह बड़ा सा इतना बड़ा होगा, but when I received it, this is quite small in size. I mean, not that big, but you can carry it with yourself if you are traveling, and this is quite portable. That's all I want to say. This is quite portable. Before I go into the quality of the products, let me tell you a few things about my experience from Cuffs and Lashes website. So the website, I mean, what I have felt about it, the website is not that user friendly. There are many technical glitches. मैंने ऑर्डर 2 सेक्शंस में प्लेस किया था, एंड सडनली मैंने देखा कुछ देर के बाद में कि मेरा एक ऑर्डर वहाँ से कैंसिल दिखा रहा है. आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है. आई रीच्ड आउट टू देम, एंड मुझे एक ऑटोमेटेड ईमेल आया, but it was of no use. Then I reached out to them through the Instagram, and they replied कि ठीक है, आप email कर दीजिए हमारे इस email पे. And then after 2 days, they told me that the orders are merged and वो cancel नहीं हुआ है. So I think they should work a little bit on their website as well as app, because what I personally have felt is कि उनके वेबसाइट में बहुत सारे टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस हैं, एंड इट इज़ नॉट दैट यूज़र फ्रेंडली. ऑल्सो द पैलेट वॉज अ लिटिल बिट मेसी. आई डोंट नो वाई, but I did not expect this palette to come in that condition. But it's okay. Let's talk about the quality of the eyeshadows. So let's talk about the quality of the eyeshadows. So this eyeshadow palette contains 35 pan of eyeshadows, 10 are glitters, fewer mattes and fewer shimmers. अगर मैं shimmers और mattes की quality के बारे में बात करूँ तो they are good. You can blend them on your eyelids, but few of the shades like this one, these two, this one, and few of the shades from there, not just matte but even the shimmers, few of them are chalky in nature, and आप उनको blend तो कर लेंगे अपने eyelids पे, but it will not give you a nice finish. उसका finish chalky हो जाता है पूरा. And especially this shade and this shade, you really, these are very beautiful shades, you know, just look at this shade and this shade. But अगर आपको यही same shades अपनी eyelids पर चाहिए, you have to build them up, because नहीं तो वो बहुत ही muddy लगेगा. And I'm pretty disappointed with this shade, because the way it appears here, it does not appear like this on the eyelids. Even ये swatch करने पर भी उतना pigmented नहीं है जितना ये pan में लग रहा है. And few of the shades are very similar, like this one and this one. See, ये जब आपके फिंगर्स में इतने ज़्यादा सिमिलर लग रहे हैं तो आईलिड्स पे ऑलमोस्ट सेम लगेंगे. मैंने यूज़ करके देखा है एंड दे अपीयर ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज़ गुड इन दिस पैलेट. I think this palette is all about the glitters, but 899 rupees just for the glitters, not fair. I am very much impressed with the glitters they have provided in this eyeshadow palette, and अगर आपको ये glitters अच्छे लगे हैं इस palette के, then I think, and even if you want this palette for the glitters over here, I think you should go for their Stardust palette. It has all the glitters. वहाँ पे कोई भी shimmer या matte shades नहीं है, specifically for glitters. तो क्या मैं ये palette recommend करना चाहूँगी आपको? Yes, only and only if you are a beginner, you want a lot of shades to play with, you are learning to work with the eyeshadows, then this is a palette for you. Okay, but if you are someone who has already achieved a level in their eyeshadow game, I don't think you will be very happy with this eyeshadow palette. And even if you want to buy this eyeshadow palette, still please don't expect too much, because there was a lot of buzz about the packaging of the palette on YouTube. And okay, it's okay, I don't mind the packaging of the palette at this price if the eyeshadows are really good. But they are okay, they are not very good, but they are not very bad as well. You can definitely use it, but as I have said, many shades including the shimmer and mattes, both, they are chalky in nature. They are pigmented. You will blend them on your eyelids, but they will not last long and they will give a patchy finish. So क्या मुझे ये palette अच्छा लगा? Yes, but only for the glitters and few of the matte shades which are good, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that is all about this eyeshadow palette. If you are a beginner or somebody who is not very much into makeup, but they want a single palette which contains everything, then you can definitely go for this palette. But if you are somebody who has already used a lot of eyeshadow palettes and you are good at whatever you are doing, then I don't think you will like it much. And oh yes, yeah, I would have really appreciated if they have given a black at least, तो ये one and done eyeshadow palette हो जाता, at least for beginners and so many people. They would have given a black, बहुत अच्छी बात होती, and even a red, because the browns which are over here and the browns which are over here, they perform almost similar on the eyelids. तो इतने सारे browns की I don't think there is a necessary. Instead of all these extra browns, they should have given a black. I mean that is my personal opinion. अगर इसमें एक black और एक red होता, then ये palette और ज़्यादा अच्छा हो सकता था. So that's all about this eyeshadow palette. Now let me show you the brushes. So these are the eye makeup brushes, and these brushes are from the range Cuffs and Lashes X Shy Style collaboration, and I have got 4 brushes. CS01, CS02, CS03 and CS04. मुझे CS05 भी लेना था. I was very much interested in purchasing that brush, but I think it was not in their stock. And इन सारे ब्रशेस को भी लेने से पहले मैंने बहुत सारे रिव्यूज़ चेक किए थे, जिसमें से एक मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा था. आई विल पुट द लिंक ऑफ दैट वीडियो इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो वहाँ जाके देख सकते हैं. दैट हेल्प मी डिसाइड कि मुझे 12 ब्रशेस थे शायद, and I did not require all of those 12 brushes, especially the fluffy blending brushes, because उनके पास जो फ्लफ़ी ब्लेंडिंग ब्रशेज़ है इस रेंज में, 2 और 3 ऑफ देम आर क्वाइट बिग, और मेरी आईलिड्स काफ़ी छोटी हैं एंड आई ऑलवेज़ वांटेड टू हैव अ स्मॉल ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश, क्योंकि इससे पहले भी जो मेरे पास ब्लेंडिंग ब्रशेस थे दे वर क्वाइट बिग एंड उससे सारा आई मेकअप मेरा ख़राब हो जाता था. एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू गाइज, दीज ब्रशेस आर ऑफ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी, वर्थ योर मनी, एंड they are very good. I mean, if you are searching for brushes, you are a beginner, or even you are very good at your eyeshadow game, if you are searching something in the affordable range, these are one of the best brushes you can find at lower prices. This is a flat shader brush and this is very nice if you want to smoke out on your outer on your lower waterline. एंड अगर इससे आपको आपके अपर लिड में भी ग्लिटर प्लेस करना है या फिर एक विंग ड्रॉ करना है, देन दिस ब्रश इज़ वेरी प्रिसाइज एंड वेरी नाइस. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द CS02 fluffy blending brush and this is quite big for my eyelids, but I just bought it to see if this works for me. This is definitely a very good brush, but this is not for my eyelids because I have small eyelids. So this is the third brush, CS03, and this is a small dome shaped, a precise blending brush. You can use this for precise blending or for smoking out your edges. This is a very nice brush and I'm planning to buy I think 2 or 3 of these because I have pretty small eyelids. This is the third brush, CS03, and this is a small fluffy blending brush and this is made for my eyelids. I mean, this is a perfect brush if you have small eyelids. And इस टाइप का एक ब्रश मैं बहुत टाइम से ढूंढ रही थी फॉर ब्लेंडिंग, बट दे वर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑन द प्राइसियर साइड, बट आई मस्ट से I am very very impressed by this brush and I am planning ki I will buy one more. So these are the 2 products that I have got from Cuffs and Lashes. I am not very much impressed with their eyeshadow palette, but I will definitely recommend you to buy their Cuffs and Lashes X Shy Style range of eye makeup brushes. And that's all for this video, and I would like to end this video with not with a tutorial, but I would like to end this video by creating an eye look using this palette and these brushes. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching this long video and just take care, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye.